Welcome. I am Leona Dooley, and this is the Fall Kitchen Vignette Challenge of 2021. I am the co-host with Denise Jordan of This and That, and what a pleasure that is this season. We are looking forward to all of the wonderful creations that you are going to be showing. First of all, let me say that Denise has hosted this challenge for several years, and she does it seasonally, which that part will continue. And you know, it's fun working side by side with her because she's a wonderful creator and homemaker. She's a traditional homemaker. And you know, she teaches us all kinds of fun and wonderful things that we are able to do. Now, I have listed down in the description box the link to Denise's channel, as well as the hashtag link to for you as creators to be able to upload. And so I hope that you will participate. I am looking forward to seeing all of your beautiful creations. And you know, it's going to be a fun fall. Now for me and my personal channel, this is going to be a part of my I Love Fall for 2021. So I hope you will take the time to enjoy each of the videos as they come about. And I've also listed in the description box a link for the playlist from last year so that you will see some of the things that I created as well as did during fall of 2020. So I hope you will become a part of the family as well, that you will subscribe, and you know, please make sure that you go to each of the creators' channels, and if you're not a member of their family, that you will certainly join their family and become a subscriber. And you know, you might even want to tap that little bell icon so that you'll be notified when they upload. Now, let's get down to creating a kitchen vignette. Now, if you're wondering what a kitchen vignette is, it is a display for your kitchen. It is something that you place in that special little spot in your kitchen that makes everyone stop and smile. And you know, for me, what it says to me is that I knew you were coming, and I did this just for you because I knew you would like to take a look at it. And so we have certain parameters that we want to work within when we're creating a vignette. So let me take you through that. Well, let's first begin with a tray. Now, you know, the tray does not have to be flat. You could use a tiered tray, or if you had a beautiful bowl that you wanted to put your vignette in. The main thing is it has to be mobile. Then you're going to want to add florals that are representative of the season. In this case, I took a little mini lantern, added a lantern swag on top in fall colors, and as you can see, it pops. I added a candle that I could turn on at night. Then I took a napkin, one of my dinner napkins that looks so fallish, but the colors that I need, and just place that lantern right on top. And look at that. Doesn't it look nice? And it certainly pops from a distance. Now we have one more thing that we need to do, and that is we're going to get ready to add words of encouragement. Now I'm using my America's Test Kitchen Cooking School cookbook because I use it all the time. So I'm actually going to add that into the tray. Now you're looking at it and thinking, why? And it's because they're words of encouragement for those of us who love to cook. Now, will I leave it that way? Not at all, because we're going to add a little decor twist. I've added a Better Homes and Gardens recipe for fall recipes, that magazine, as well as I want to add just a few more touches of fall with some little pumpkins, and I'm just going to place those randomly in this tray. And they're going to just shout fall. You can see, if you peek, you can see the light of the candle. It's just a little light, and that's burning. I've got my little fall gourds and pumpkins that I'm placing in, trying to get them turned just the way I want them. You know, it takes a few minutes. But you notice this did not take long at all. It's just a matter of taking out a few things and thinking about what you want to do. We want this particular area, number one, I wanted it to cover up the electrical outlet, and it certainly does that. And because of where it's placed, I've already prepared a meal here, so the warmth of the stove is not an issue. So I am so glad that we're going to be able to keep it right here next to the stove, and it's going to be able to perform its function. I can take my book out if I need to, or pull the magazine and get meal ideas, and that's exactly what I want to be able to do. And I want those people who come to visit to take a look at this lantern and say, what a clever idea. So here is my fall kitchen vignette. You'll see I added a little ceramic house because I want to remind them that this is our home. And you'll see the home, you see the fall, you see the light, and it just says welcome. What do you think? You are always welcome to the home of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. You are invited to join our family. Our family loves to decorate, to cook, and to chat. All those things make our home a warm and happy place. The kitchen is the hub, it's the heart of the home. It is in our kitchens where we love, nurture, encourage, and guide our families over delicious meals or just across the counter. Your kitchen should be the place where everyone wants to come, have a seat, and get a hug. So join me weekly right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme and see what we're up to.